Hey Albert, track fans, how are we doing? We've got Aston Martin Vantage GT3 on the track, new track, track 41. Hope you enjoyed the last track. It was a special 40th edition, and this time we've got a backup car just in case. Z4 GT3, official race sponsors Weddy. Michael Higgs is your man. Here we go. Vantage. First corner, hammerhead, round into the long Chicago straight. Chicane, Bentley bend into hammerhead, round up the top into Chicago. Gambon hairpin. Here we go. Next lap. Gambon, Bacharach, over to Bentley, round to hammerhead. Making good distance now. Chicago. Can't keep up with the commentary. Car's fast. Coming round again. Here we go. Chicane into Bentley. Hammerhead up to Chicago. Hairpin turn. Gambon. Trusty. Favourite. Track fans, this is a great track. Good one for speed. And let's leave it there. Hope that inspired you. Maybe you could do the same thing.